Hello guys, guys, yo sorry for me sending you the video so late. Like I said that my USB was lost, so I couldn't get something to copy the videos from my PC to my phone, where I send you guys everything on Telegram, you see. So but yeah, now everything is back on track. So guys, I'm gonna try to send maybe a system each and every day, né? And I'm also gonna try to do what to send I'm gonna also try to send a video maybe every day or after one day. Let's say if I send this one today and then I jump maybe tomorrow, I send the day after tomorrow. So that's how I wanna work. I wanna be consistent at what I do. So okay guys, this is how you can kill boom and crash here. This is the system for boom and crash. So guys, when you trade boom and crash, my advice is always trade the spikes, né? Don't go against the spikes, né? Unless you have a big account which you're willing to at least hold, you see. So remember, technical works as well, guys, né? So I'm gonna make a video for you on how to use technical, and then it's gonna be posted on our channel, the new one, né? So like I said guys, according to me, I think we should have been at 100 subs by now, but yeah, remember guys, slow progress is still progress, né? So okay guys, so as you can see, remember I sent you the Bailey. This support you see here is part of the Bailey, né? So as you can see, there's a resistance here. So the reason why I decided to put this is for you to get confidence when you do your things, that because this is the support level, and then when you get the signal, as you can see guys, there's also this spike killer here. So what does this or how does this work, guys? As you can see, look at this, there's a red momentum, and then there's a green momentum as well, right? So the red momentum here represent or tells you that okay, sellers are in charge. As you can see, there was a spike. Now there was a spike, the market just spiked. So as you can see guys, the red momentum simply means the market is gonna go to the downside, right? And then the green one simply means or tells us that buyers are in charge. So this is 1 hour, this is 1 minute time frame, né? So remember, if you saw this, you wait for the cross here as well, right? As you can see guys, like I said that I was gonna send you this, the thing is I forgot, but I'm gonna send you this, guys. So I'm also gonna make a video on how to install this thing on your laptop, because most of us are struggling, né? So as you can see guys, here what's happening is there was a cross here, right? This told you that sellers are now in charge. Let's say after the first spike here, it showed us the arrow pointing down, and then it started giving you the red momentum, meaning that sellers are now in charge. And then as you can see, there's also a binary king here. You also check with your momentum. Look at this, the green momentum represent buyers, né? The red one represent sellers. So as you can see that okay, from here green momentum took over, and then here you can see that sellers started to take over here. So you could have known that okay, this thing, it was gonna spike, né? So remember, as a trader, you can catch maybe 2 or 3 spikes, and then that's it. So there's also this here. There's also this yellow thing here. As you can see, this is a candle timer. It counts like the seconds for you. Remember, 1 minute is 60 seconds, so it's gonna count for you every time, né? So if you wanna close before if you wanna trade maybe for 1 minute and then you close, this will help you, né? So there's also this down here, guys, trade assistant. So as you can see, sorry guys, so as you can see, this one here shows us which momentum is stronger, you see. So it shows us that on daily, sellers are in charge, right? It shows us that on 1 hour, sellers are in charge. On 30 minutes, sellers are in charge. On 15 minutes, sellers are in charge. On 5 minutes, sellers are in charge. Only on 4 hours is like this buying, you see. So but this will help you to come up with like an overall conclusion that okay, since here and here and here and here and here sellers are in charge, this simply means that the trade is gonna be a strong sell. Why? Because sellers are in charge. So another thing, guys, another thing, let me, so this was a crash 500 ne. So let's check another pair ne. Let's check crash 1000. So like I said, guys, that on crash you have to look for selling opportunities only, because you don't want to trade against the spikes. But if you trade with the spikes, at least when the spike comes, normally gives you the profits as well. So but if you trade a different pair, so yes, yes, guys. So this is a good example here. So as you can see, guys, that from this support level up here where I'm pointing now, that's where you got your signal, that's where you got your cross. Even here, as you can see, guys, your cross was there, the arrow was there, and then what happened, guys, the market started spiking, the red momentum was there. But guys, remember, this binary king here is not that important, né? So the most important thing is this support level here, and then is also this cross here and this here. Even this one is not that important. You can even remove it if it makes you makes mistakes, so you can even remove it. But if you have 1, 2 and then the support and the resistance here, I think you are fine, because that's where you wanna or that's what you wanna use to execute your entries, right? So as you can see, it gave us spikes until it reaches where this level, right? So as you can see now, it gave us this, there's a cross here. So what are we expecting? As you can see, guys, is pushing to the upside. But like I said, trade with the spikes, don't trade against the spikes. So let's check boom now. So on boom, I advise you look for buying opportunities only. On boom, I advise you look for buying opportunities only. Reason why I'm saying we look for buying opportunities is because remember, when the spikes come, it always pushes the market to the upside, right? So look at this, guys, there was a this signal, there was a cross here. I just want to show you that it did sell. Do you see? After it sold, so even from this signal here, there was this signal, there was a cross here. After what happened, and there was a support, even though there was one big spike. But if you were to enter from here, you could have caught 1 and then 2, 3, you see. So it was not bad, you could have caught some of the spikes. So as you can see, the momentum, if you can check here, it was coming from the downside, and if you can check here, it showed you sales. So you're gonna do your own research, guys, on which part or which one does this work on, which boom and crash it works best on, you see. So maybe it works best on boom 500, and then you're gonna do your own research. So even here, guys, first thing we see is the signal and then the support. What happened? The market pushed down. So this is what I was saying to you, that only if you want to trade what against the spikes, you can do that, you see. So here again, look at this, it just crossed here. We got the signal here. What's happening, guys? You can see that it has been spiking ever since, and it's still gonna spike. As you can see at this, guys, on 1 hour we're buying, 30 minutes we're buying, 15 we're buying, here we're buying, here is neutral, even here is neutral. So probabilities of this thing still spiking are very high. So that's how you get to identify like what's happening on other time frames, you see. So by checking at this. But like I said, that if this makes, or if you check that thing and then you make mistakes, just leave it as it is. So guys, I hope you'll be